Laser welding technology is a game-changer in precision manufacturing. But for small-scale production units and R&D labs, the high cost of traditional machines makes this advanced technology almost out of reach, and manual welding can often be more hazardous and pose greater risks as well. The handheld cantilever portable laser welding machine from Semco Infratech, a revolutionary solution designed to bring laser welding within everyone's reach. Now, let's take a closer look at some basic questions you might have about this machine.
Hello everyone, once again welcome to our channel. I am Suraj Kumar, technical content creator. Today we are going to introduce you about Semco portable laser welding machine, which can be used anywhere, anytime for the laser welding purposes. So our technical engineer Ishan Sharma will introduce you about this machine in details.
Hi, I am Ishan Sharma, technical engineer at Semco Infratech. Today I will let you know all the technical specification of this portable laser welding machine.
So Ishan, let me know the main component of this portable welding machine.
The main component of this portable welding machine is this movable suspension. We can move it in any direction according to our need.
Okay, so this is movable, we can move anywhere on this axis.
Yes, we can move anywhere. Another main component is this lens called field mirror component.
This lens is called field
Mirror component.
Okay.
Yes. After that, there are two buttons. Red light button is used to focus the area where we will put the laser. After confirming the area, we will press this laser button to put the laser on that battery pack or on the component. Now further move and let me tell you the another main component of this machine. This is called debugging display, where we can set all the parameters in this display. We can set the laser power or the type of welding. We can weld it in a circle direction or in rectangle direction in this machine. Another part is chiller. We have to open this. This part is called chiller. We have to put water inside this chiller. This is called the level, water level. We have to fill the water till here. Another and the major part of this machine is this part called laser source. After ensuring the position of the laser by this red laser light, we will move further by pressing the laser button to perform laser. First of all, we have to press it nicely so this shaft will don't move. Now you can see how perfectly this laser works. There is no movement in the buzz bar. We had performed the laser welding on these buzz bar. Let's see. We can perform two types of welding in this machine. First circle and another is this rectangle. You can see how it works. Mr. Suraj, you know what is unique in this machine?
What is the unique feature of this machine?
Yes.
You want to say?
Yes. This machine comes with Bluetooth connectivity. There is an app called Max Laser.
How can we adjust the parameters of this with the help of Bluetooth? Is this device connectable with this?
Yes,
Bluetooth?
this device is connectable with the Bluetooth. We can adjust all the parameters using this app also, and this is wirelessly, or we can use this display also, but the advantage is that we can use this wirelessly.
So you want to say that this machine is coming up with app.
Yes.
It can be downloaded from Google
Store.
And after downloading this app, you can see that there is an icon named
Max.
Max Laser.
Yes.
If we open this Max Laser app, then it will need to connect with the Bluetooth. How do we connect with the Bluetooth?
It will connect automatically.
So the exciting feature of this machine is that this machine come up with the Bluetooth app and it can be managed with the help of Bluetooth. So this is all about Semco handheld portable laser welding machine. See you in the next video. Thank you.